Hi everybody, welcome to Jin's Wall Street News. According to the S&P Global US Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, fell from 52.7 in February to 50.2 in March. The US Census Bureau reported Tuesday that construction spending increased 0.7% in February from the previous month. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics announced Tuesday that the number of job openings decreased from 7,762,000 in January to 7,568,000 in February. 10-year Treasury yield is hovering around 4.19%. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 rose 0.38% and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.87% Tuesday. According to the S&P Global US Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, fell from 52.7 in February to 50.2 in March, revised up from the preliminary estimate of 49.8. The S&P Global said, quote, U.S. manufacturing sector growth stalled in March, having grown strongly in February. Production declined as order books expanded only modestly, despite evidence of a stabilization of exports. Confidence in the outlook for business activity softened amid some uncertainty over the impact of federal government policies. The U.S. Census Bureau reported Tuesday that construction spending increased 0.7% from $2,179.9 billion in January to $2,195.8 billion in February, up 2.9% from $2,133.8 billion in February last year. The January number was revised down from $2,192.5 billion. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics announced Tuesday that the number of job openings decreased from 7,762,000 in January to 7,568,000 in February, down from 8,445,000 in February last year. In addition, the job openings to unemployment ratio also fell from 1.13 in January to 1.07 in February. 10-year Treasury yield dropped as the ISM Manufacturing PMI fell to 49, below expectations, and the number of job openings decreased in February. But it soon rebounded as investors have already priced in the economic slowdown in Q1. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 rose 0.38% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average edged down 0.03%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 0.87%. To me, it looks like the S&P 500 chart forms a double bottom pattern. Dan Niles, the founder of Niles Investment Management, posted on X Tuesday, quote, "Is the great uncertainty over tariffs tomorrow at 3 p.m., regardless of how bad they are, given all the mentions of smooth hauling in the press, and the successful $40 billion capital raised by OpenAI today, enough to ignite a mini rally over near term? Even during the 49% S&P decline over 31 months following the internet bubble bursting, the S&P rallied 7 times by 14% on average, despite the recession in 2001. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.